So here's a quick video for Kandi owners that have the charging cord. This one caught fire. My neighbour went to plug it in and the cord just started smoking, and as you can see, it burnt out the connector. And what had happened is the wires had twisted inside and shorted out, basically arcing out, and melted the connector. I don't know if you can see, but the notch is missing on that one, and you can see the burn mark on it. Anyway, I tried on Amazon to see if I could find a replacement, and the ones they sent me were all too small. So this is the replacement I found, which will fit the cable. It's tight, but it will fit the cable. And then what I did was, when I put it all together, I actually put some hot glue inside it before I put it together. That way, hopefully, it stops the cables from twisting internally. So that's the new connector, and this is the one currently now charging. And down here is the new connector that I put on. So as you can see, saves you buying a brand new one from Kandi, which is like 450 bucks or something. So they are repairable. I had to pin out the connector because the cables were burnt off. So they're literally little screws. So with you charging the Cowboy, and obviously the connector gets hot, these screws seem to unwind. So I soldered the connectors, or the connections, put them inside, then used the screws into the soldered connection, and then the hot glue around it. So hopefully that will cure his problem. But as I say, it saves spending $400 and something on a replacement. I do have 4 or 5 of these. They're like about 60 bucks. They do the same job. The problem you have is the original Cowboy one is welded. It's plastic welded into the connector, so you can't fix this end. And then the other problem that you're going to have is if you run your machine on 220 or 240, then this connector won't fit the cable for your 220. So you end up having to buy 2 of these cables, or cable connectors, because you obviously need the other end to solder on or put on the 220 version of your cable. Or you can just wire it up so you just run the 220, but it's entirely up to you. But anyway, just thought this video would help other Cowboy or Kandi owners if your charging cable starts to smoke at the connector.